Okay, the polar vortex is over, and although we had heat tape on this PVC pipe that connects all 4 of our cisterns, when it started to thaw, it just shattered some of these pipes. So this one's broke, this one's broke, and on the next one, the coupler, the bushing here is broke. So I had to replace this and this slip coupler. So this bushing and this coupler and these 2 pieces of pipe on this one. Right now I have them shut off, so good thing I have ball valves in between all of them and unions, so I can just remove this union here, or open this union and remove from here down, so I can fix that. But that's not the only problem. I still have 2 cisterns with water in them, so that's okay. So that's not the only problem. Let's look at something else. Okay, back here is where our water pump is. And I don't know if you can see, let me zoom in. That union is shattered. It just expanded. So that's got to be replaced. A mess is my attempt at insulating where the pump and the filters and the water heater are. It's a bunch of water heater blankets on top of a piece of wood. I have cinder block on the outside wall and pallets coated in tar paper here. Obviously that did not work because I got broken stuff, but now I get to disassemble all of this just so I can get to the pump and all the parts that I have to replace. Yay! What a mess. I have this wall removed and I can get a better idea of how bad we have damage. This one is just completely shot. And this filter appears to be intact. I'll take it off and make sure. And then this filter is broken, the one with carbon filter. And this union is busted all the way inside, and the outside's broken as well. So yeah, it's all broke. So I have to take this off and this off and see if I have the parts I need to put a new union in place. So I got my work cut out for me. I'm going to have to replace both of those filters and that union and then see where we are. Well, we have a new carbon filter installed and a new union installed. But as you can hear, we have water pouring out of the unattached hot water heater. There's a break in the copper tubing. Yay! $800 water heater with holes in it. I'm going to see if I can order a part. I hope I can. However, the water heater is toast, so I've had to order a new one.